Hi, I'm Shyam. I'm Shyam, and we're back for another coding video. So just remember to log on to rebel.it and hit the blue button in the corner. So once you hit that, choose the Python, not with the turtle, and name it classes or classes tutorial. Hit enter or hit create. Okay, so today I'm going to be explaining how to create a program that calculates the faces, edges, and vertices of a prism or a pyramid using classes in Python. So a class is used in programming or coding to describe one or more objects. It serves as kind of like a template for creating specific objects within programming. So we're going to create another module called geo.py. And in this, we will create our classes. So how you create a class in Python is you have class with a lowercase c, and then we're going to define our prism first, I think. So we're going to define, okay, so this one might look weird to you. So this uses the initializer function. And then I'm going to put something in here called self. Self, it refers to the object of the class in question. So we're going to give it an attribute n, which stores the value of the parameter n. The parameter n is how many sides the base of the prism has. So let's look at the number of faces. So the formula for the number of faces, and you always have to put self in, otherwise you're going to get an error. So the formula is self.n plus 2. So you can return the value like this. Okay, so now how do you calculate edges? Well, the formula for edges is n times 3. So we're going to return self.n times 3. Yep. All right. Now, how do we calculate the number of vertices? I wonder. The formula for vertices is n times 2. So we write the following code. Now, that's all the functions that I believe we will need for the prism. And now moving on to pyramid. Okay, so we're going to have the class pyramid and the def in it as always. It's always going to be 2 underscores, then INIT, then 2 underscores. And you'll always have this. It's the starting function, the function that is the first up. So again, it's going to be self.n, and again, n is the number of sides to the base of the pyramid. It's very cool how Python and geometry can combine to create something like this. So going to calculate the formula for faces. We're going to calculate the number of faces. So the formula for faces is n plus 1. So we're going to return self.n plus 1. Now we're going to define edges. Oh, and by the way, def is always how you define a function or method. And these are functions or methods that you can call on the object of the class in question. So the formula for edges in a pyramid is n times 2. And the formula for vertices is, let me check, is also n plus 1, as a matter of fact. So now we're going to exit our geomodule and main.py. So how we get the classes from the geomodule is cool. You type the word import and then type the name of the file. It's geo. It's giving us this line because we haven't used any of the, it's little green line because we haven't used any of the classes or the methods in geo. So I'm going to have a variable prism. And I'm going to say it's geo dot. So that's how you get the class prism from geo. Geo dot prism of, and then let's say n is 4. So the base will be a quadrilateral, or a quadrilateral, for those of you who don't know, is a shape that has 4 sides to the base. Or the shape that has 4 sides, yep. So I'm just gonna print prism over here so we know it's for the prism. And then we're going to print. Okay, so this is how you combine 2 of these little things in quotes which are called strings. I like the strings we tie, not strings in programming. So this is how you combine 2 strings. Faces colon, and then you add str. Now the result of the faces function is something that you call an integer. So you're going to have to convert the integer to a string. So how that works, you just put what you want to convert to an integer, which is abbreviated int, in here. Faces now we're going to combine edges with edges. Again, use the str function. Prism.edges. And then you print the amount of vertices. And now you can run it and see there you have it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to command paste. So highlight this and then command or control C and then space and then command or control V. And there you have the exact same thing. So I'm going to be changing all the prisms to pyramid. So we're using a pyramid, which again has a base. It's a quadrilateral. Again, a quadrilateral is a 4-sided shape. So I'm just going to change all of the prisms to pyramids real quick. And now you can see it running. I'll see you for another amazing coding session tomorrow. Bye.